Wanna know how to check if a string contains only digits in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in this code right here, we have used a simple method and it's a short code. So we have used a handy .matches method. So we have used the matches method right here with a regex pattern that is double slash and d plus. So which means one or more digits. It simply means one or more digits. So if the string fits in this pattern, that is matches, so it returns true, otherwise it simply returns false. This is super useful for validating user input like phone number or IDs. So it's just one line of code to make sure your string is digits only, and it's super easy and efficient. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.